Since October 2023, over 43,000 Palestinians in Gaza have been killed. Nearly 70% of the people killed in Gaza are women and children, according to the UN. Public services, including healthcare, water and sanitation, have been decimated, and over 80% of schools and universities have been destroyed or damaged. Workers have been particularly affected by the increasingly brutal actions of the State of Israel, including the deliberate targeting of medical, aid workers, and journalists. More than 1,000 health workers and 318 aid workers have been killed in Gaza, including 235 UN staff. 200 aid workers have been killed in 7 months, exceeding the total number killed in the entire world in any year in the past 2 decades. Over the last 14 months, the UN Security Council has passed 4 resolutions on Gaza, and the International Court of Justice has issued 3 binding rulings listing urgent measures that Israel should take to prevent the risk of genocide. The court also issued an advisory opinion that found that Israel's occupation of Palestine is illegal and Israel is responsible for racial segregation and apartheid against the Palestinians. Despite all of this, the EU has adopted a business-as-usual attitude, with the EU and its member states continuing to provide political cover and material support to Israel. The EU-Israel Association Agreement is the main treaty regulating relations between the EU and Israel. The Association Agreement facilitates largely unrestricted trade between the EU and Israel, and allows Israel and its military companies to participate in more EU programs and projects than any other non-European country. Article 2 of the Association Agreement states that relations between the parties shall be based on respect for human rights and democratic principles, which constitutes an essential element of this agreement. The international courts have ruled that the Israeli government has repeatedly violated international law and have issued arrest warrants for the Prime Minister and former Defense Secretary. Yet the European Commission has failed to take any steps to even assess whether the association agreement has been breached. The EU should suspend its association agreement with Israel. It has taken similar actions in the past against 15 countries for far less serious crimes. It's time for the EU to comply with its own rules and apply international law consistently. European trade unions demand that the EU suspend its association agreement with Israel until human rights and international law are respected. We also call on European countries to suspend the provision of military equipment and weapons transfer to Israel via its territories. Take action now and pressure your government to act. For more information on how to take action, visit our website at www.etun-palestine.org.